In this video, we're going to go briefly over the basics of creating a table in HTML. So we want to recreate this table, shown on the right side of the screen, as an HTML table, which would show up in your browser. So I'm going to write the HTML code from scratch here. The first thing we need to do to create an HTML document is to open the HTML tag, and then at the very end of the document, we'll want to be closing the HTML tag. I'm going to save this as an HTML document so that it actually recognizes my syntax. And if I want to create a header with, say, the title, I can do that, and maybe I'll call this sample table. And then in the body of this HTML document, I actually want to create my table. Now notice every tag that I open, I also close. So when I type the title of the page, the title tag goes at the beginning, and then it closes at the end. The title is part of the header for the document, so that goes after the begin head and before the end head. The body is where my table will go. And so I begin with a table tag, and I'll end with a table tag. And each row of this table needs to go within a TR for table row tag. So in this table, I have 7 rows, so I need 7 table rows. Just copy and paste these. In the first row of the table, I actually have headings. So what I can do special here to format these as headings is to use the TH tag for table header. And then my first heading is name, so that goes within the first TH tag. The second heading is department. The third heading is hometown. And the fourth heading is age. The next row contains Erica's information, and each piece of data goes within a TD for table data tag. And so if I create actually the 4 that I need, I can copy and paste that to speed up this process a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4 cells across. So now each of my rows I know will have 4 cells across. And now I can start filling in the information. The first name is Erica. The second name is Andrew. The fourth name is Jose. And Anne, Jerry, and Amy. Just trying to line these up to make typing easier. And Erica is in sales. Andrew is in customer service. Jose is in training. Anne is in research. Jerry is also in sales, and Amy is in management. Erica is from Pittsburgh. Andrew is from New York. Jose is from San Francisco. Anne and Jerry are both from Chicago. And finally, their ages. And so Erica is 24, 43, 29, 32, 58, 40, and we're done. This is a full table with 4 columns and 7 rows. And if I save the HTML file and then open it in my browser, I've opened the sampletable.html file. The title, which you can see up here, is sample table, just like we typed. And this is how the default formatting works for a table. We gave this no CSS, no pretty formatting, so the default background is white, the default font color is black. This TH tag is what's making the headers centered and bold, and everything else is just plain old serif font. That's all there is to making an HTML table. In a later video, we'll talk about how to use PHP to connect to a database and sort of fill out this table without having to type everything manually. But if all you need is a quick and dirty HTML table where the data inside it is not going to change without you physically coming in, typing the changes, then this is all there is to it.